Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Honkai Star Rail on your PlayStation 4 using an easy method. While the game isn't natively on PlayStation 4, you can stream it from another device. This process involves setting up PlayStation Remote Play, which allows you to enjoy the game on your PlayStation 4 screen. You will need either a PlayStation 5 console or a personal computer capable of running the game smoothly. First, ensure Honkai Star Rail is fully installed and updated on your PlayStation 5 or personal computer. Make sure this device is powered on and connected to the internet. Next, download and install the official PlayStation Remote Play application onto your streaming source. This application is freely available and essential for connecting your devices. Log in with your PlayStation Network account to link everything together seamlessly. Now, on your PlayStation 4, navigate to the PlayStation Remote Play application. Select the option to connect to either your PlayStation 5 or your personal computer, depending on where the game is installed. Your streaming device will display an 8-digit registration code. Carefully enter this code into your PlayStation 4 to establish the connection. This step securely links your consoles or your console and computer. With the connection established, Honkai Star Rail will now be displayed on your PlayStation 4 screen. You can use your PlayStation 4 controller to play the game just as if it were running natively. For the best experience, ensure both your PlayStation 4 and the streaming device have a strong, stable internet connection, preferably wired. This minimizes lag and provides smooth gameplay for your interstellar adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.